Hello and welcome to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen. This recipe is inspired by my mother. She can whip this up in about 10 minutes and ready for me. To make sweet pilau rice or Shahi Jorda. This recipe is super simple and easy to make. Ingredients: 4 cups of cooked rice, fresh coconut or dry coconut, sugar half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of caraway water, cup of ghee, some food colouring, cinnamon and some cardamom, and dried fruit or nuts. Now heat a wok and add the ghee. You can also use oil as a substitute. We're going to add the cinnamon and cardamom. Now add sugar. We like it really sweet. You can also use sweetener if you want. Then add half a cup of water. Put the heat down and stir it. Ooh. Add the food colour of your choice. I wanted blue, but she wanted pink. Now add the fruits. We used almonds and currants and berries. Now add the rice. Combine the mixture really well, stirring occasionally. We added some desiccated coconut here. We had some freshly frozen from a previous cooking recipe that we made. Give it a good mix. Add 2 tablespoons of caraway water. This just adds a beautiful aroma to the rice. Now add the fresh coconut. Mix it well on a low heat for about 5 minutes and cover. After about 5 minutes, it's ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. Delicious and mouth-watering.